This Amerbro heat-resistant grill mat uses a fiberglass core with a silicone coating to handle extremely high cooking temperatures without warping or cracking. Its generous 36 by 48-inch size and slim 1 mm thickness make it a great fit under most tabletop grills, pizza ovens, and compact outdoor cookers. The mat does an excellent job shielding stainless steel or wooden prep tables from scorch marks, scratches, and messy grease splatter during long grilling sessions. Because the surface is smooth, spills, oil, and food residue wipe away easily with a damp cloth or a bit of dish soap, and the mat can be folded for compact storage once dry. The material is flexible enough to serve as both an outdoor grill table protector and an indoor heat-resistant pad under appliances like air fryers or portable stoves. For anyone who grills often on a deck or patio table, this mat offers reliable fire-resistant protection and noticeably cuts down on cleanup time after cooking.